And here we have it. Burgers like there is no tomorrow. Let's do it. Hey guys, alright. So in this episode we're making a burger. And we start the burger obviously with the good burger sauce. And the sauce is going to consist of the tomato ketchup, that Badia sriracha sauce, some of whatever. Just watch what I'm doing and just go with me because I already forgot what was in there. I just kind of make up the stuff as I go along. So yeah, I'm adding all the ingredients, mixing everything together. As you can see, adding some of the Dijon mustard. Finally, I've got up. And then add the ketchup. So it basically creates the kind of mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup type of sauce, but it also has lots of like all these other good ingredients, including some of the cilantro and lime and all the good stuff. And it came out quite delicious, to be honest. The reason I'm saying it came out is because I know, because I'm actually voiceovering the video after the video was shot and filmed and cut, so I'm kind of aware of the situation. But it makes it easier for me to explain everything as well. So here, yeah, I'm adding some of the cilantro, mixing it in, more lemon juice. I keep forgetting to shut off that water, it's not really helping, probably. We'll see how the final cut comes out. Well, yeah, let's just give it another mix. Mix. And it's all about mixing. All right, here we go. So that's what we have. We have the sauce, we have the egg, we have the small tomatoes. I didn't have any tomatoes in the house that I could actually, so I just cut up the little ones so we could just pile them up and stuck them up on the burger. And there is some of the green onions just for like decorations. There's some cilantro. I don't know why cilantro. It just tastes good. And this is the diced onion, the green onion that will go into the ground beef. And this is also the green onions, but diced along the length for decorations. Some lettuce and cheese. Didn't have any American cheese, so I just went with what I have, and that's provolone. You know, it's quarantine, so we're stuck with what we got. Try to minimize the number of trips to the store. Alright, and we'll start mixing the burgers with by adding an egg. You know, it's just like it helps keep burgers together, especially when you're adding veggies into it and they release water, and then meat starts falling apart. It becomes really fragile. So we want to have something that will bind it. Here we go. We mixed it in. Add some of the ground pepper. You can never go wrong with pepper. Ground pepper and some of the garlic salt, because garlic is good and salt is also good when it's in moderation. So it makes it taste really good. Mixing it, I'm gonna massage that salt and spices in. Now put in the onions and give it a good mix, because we don't want them to clump up together. We want those onions to be spread out all over the place. Just like that. And this is a really good kind of ground beef for the burgers, because it's a really fatty ground beef, so the burgers come out really tasty. And I know some people will say, oh, well, yeah, this is like the low quality ground beef. It's too much fat in it. I don't care. When you eat a burger, it's not about getting thin or getting like in shape. It's about freaking taste. It's about eating what tastes good. And if you're not into it, then, eat a cracker. I don't know. This is how we do it. I'd rather eat once a day or twice a day, but good, than I keep on freaking snacking on all this bullshit that doesn't really taste like anything, but just fills you up. So here we go. We need to cut up an onion, because burgers are just simply not good without onions. So we're gonna cut up an onion, and we're gonna half ring it because I want it real with those onion rings. And as always, I forget to shut off the water. Ah. All cut up. Set it aside. I'm gonna go get my grill. It's an old grill. It's a nice little Weber. A little rusty, but you know, it's seen a lot of grilling. Just load it up and have this fire starter kind of thing. I'll rest it and then we just kind of light it up from the bottom. And off we go. We did it. In the meantime, I already pre-made, all the patties. What I'm doing right now is showing you that the patties need to be a little bit bigger than the actual buns because, you know, the meat dries up and shrinks. So that's what I was doing. I was basically visually measuring, making sure that those patties are the proper size with comparison to the bun. And all right, so now we have the grill all hot and going. Just clean it up a little bit, and it's time to put those burgers on the grill. Let's put that shrimp on the barbie. Oh, well, there's no shrimp, but there is a barbie. Okay, there we go, and it's all in the high speed because you really don't want to sit there and watch me cook those burgers for like 10-15 minutes or whatever it took. Probably less because it was pretty fiery. Those burgers are fatty, and you know the fat was running into the water, and there was a lot of fire, so it was quite an interesting experience. But the burgers came out excellent. All right, so here we go. Let's start taking them off. Take them off. Take them off. Take them off. A couple more seconds or minutes. For the family members who like cheese, including myself, I'm going to put a couple of them back, put some cheese on them. Bum, bum, bum. Cheese is melting. Let's pick them off. Alright, this stage is done. Now we need to grill the onions, and we're going to grill some buns. Because it's nothing like a grilled bun. It just tastes so good. Mix up those onions, more buns. Yes. Oh my god, it makes my mouth water just watching you do that again. This was such an interesting experience. It was good. Alright, so we're almost done here. Oh, those got a little burnt, but that's right. Alright, and now we're gonna finally make that burger, that, you know, like that final burger for the presentation for everyone to see. There we go. I'm gonna start putting it together. Let's just assemble the final product. Yeah. With some of that amazing, delicious sauce. And I'm not fucking around. I'm putting it on both sides of the burger because that thing tastes so good. Ooh. Let's just spread it in. And this is the very first burger I'm making. Trust me, I made 8 of them, and I ended up eating 3 of them. So after making the first and then the second, the third one was the best. I figured out which order things go. You know, like when you don't cook burgers every day, you kind of forget about the order of things and da-da-da. So here I'm actually putting the patty on the burger, and then putting all these tomatoes and all that stuff on the meat. And I shouldn't have done that. I should have put all the dressing on the bun and then put the patty on top of it. This way it would have stuck and, you know, stayed together. But, you know, I did what I did. And it still came out amazing, so you'll see in a minute. So yeah, putting some lettuce on. And yeah, I cut out because I was struggling with it and things was falling apart all over. So I've cut out a whole bunch of all of that stuff. So now I'm just gonna make it easy. Figured out that yeah, I could add some more sauce so that stuff sticks. that was an interesting experience. But hey, you know, I'm learning as I go, and I'm sharing it with you so you guys can actually see my mistakes and, you know, or hear from my own, so to speak, experiences and see what I'm doing and how I'm screwing things up so that you don't have to. And so voila, here is the burger. Don't believe me, it tasted way better than it looks, even though it looks pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the juiciness of it.
Look at this, man.
All right. Here we go. Now we're gonna slice it. Oh. And this is the final product. It looks pretty good if you ask me. Like if I was offering a burger like that, I'd be like, give me break me off a piece of that. And of course the kids are right on top of it, making up their own concoctions of ingredients, you know, improvising.
Everybody falls for it. They put a spoon in it and it drips over.
This is like the perfect lettuce chunk.
And Kayla just kind of like, she really likes the lettuce. She
You
just
love
kind of
lettuce
puts
that
like
much?
a whole freaking head
Oh
of
my
lettuce.
That's like a lettuce burger.
It's good. It's whatever floats your boat. Yeah, follow us on social media. It's almost over. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And here I am, enjoying it myself.
This is it.
Have a good day, guys.